This video is about the Spray Polyurethane Foam Alliance and their Industry Excellence Awards and why they're beneficial to spray foam roofing contractors. Hi, I'm Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about the SPFA and their Industry Excellence Awards and why all of us spray foam contractors should be aiming to get these awards. First of all, kind of what are they? So there's really 7 different awards that are given out annually by the SPFA. There's one for spray foam roof over 40,000 square foot, one for under. There's just a coating system only award, a specialty application award, a couple insulation ones, and there's another one out there. But basically there's 7 opportunities to get awards and get recognized by a great organization. Why is it beneficial to contractors? The first thing is, if you're a runner-up or a winner, they give you a cool banner that you can put in your conference room that you can show customers or prospects when they come to see you. Another thing is you'll be recognized on their website as an award winner, which is great for SEO and link building. They'll go back to your website, which is great. And another thing, they'll give you a banner that you can put, it's kind of like a logo actually, that you put on your website page. You put it right on your homepage, so anyone that comes to your site can see that you're a roofing contractor that does spray foam and knows what they're doing. It's also a benefit to suppliers and manufacturers as well. I think this year they're kind of aiming to have the manufacturers reach out to the contractors to apply for these awards. And that's because when they win an award, they want to know what foam they used, what coating they used, what granules they used, etc. And they want to be recognized for that. So the manufacturers are going to reach out to the contractors, and I think there's actually, you get extra award points for having a manufacturer help you with your roof proposal. So that's kind of a new thing out there, but they want you to win the awards because you use their materials that's won an award, which is great for them as well. And really it's a benefit to everyone in the spray foam industry. I know I've been in the industry for two and a half years now, and I find that a lot of people have no idea what it is. They never consider a roofing system. But if we all kind of, we're doing these proposals, we're building up the SPFA, we're getting the word out, more websites are getting built up with links, we're all linking together. It's a good thing for everybody. It could be more business for everybody, but it's just good for the industry that more people are learning about it. And then, a common question is, what happens if you don't have enough time or you don't have a marketing person on staff to submit your awards? Certainly, first of all, the manufacturers can help you out and probably will help you out because they want to be recognized as well. And really, they've really limited the word count on some of the proposals. So you need a couple photos, and they ask you 10 or 11 questions, about safety and how it benefits the environment, and a couple problems, what problems did you solve, etc. But they're limited to like 300 or 400 words, so you don't have to write paragraph after paragraph. It used to be a little bit longer, but they kind of minimize it so it doesn't take up so much of your time to submit these awards. I know we've been submitting these since I think 2007, 2008. But we want to just tell you that it's beneficial to all the contractors and manufacturers out there to help us bring more attention to the industry. That's really much it. If you have any questions about the awards and how they work, or any tips on how to do them, you can reach out to me or any of the manufacturers part of the SPFA. And thank you so much, and hopefully I talk to you soon. Goodbye.